Welcome to the Northern Virginia Market Watch, brought to you by Real Estate Business Intelligence, an MRIS company. Let's take a look at the most recent activity in the Northern Virginia housing market, which includes these areas. As of March, the nation has recovered all of the private sector jobs lost in the recession. Between February and March, the nation added 192,000 jobs, all of which were in the private sector. Over the past 12 months, the U.S. gained 2.2 million new jobs, led by growth in professional services, leisure and hospitality, and education and health services. At 6.7%, the U.S. unemployment rate was unchanged from February. Activity in the national housing market remains sluggish, and existing home sales, new home sales, pending home sales, and housing starts were below their year-ago levels. Winter weather continued to play a role, but rising prices and interest rates may impact sales favorably in the upcoming months. In Northern Virginia, buyer activity remained low in March. There were 2,309 closed sales in March, 11% fewer than last year. This is the third consecutive year-over-year decrease for this indicator. New pending contracts also decreased, falling 6% from last March to a total of 3,527 contracts. The number of homes for sale continues to rise and has now increased from the prior year for 8 months in a row. The number of active listings increased 34% from last year, rising to 6,046 listings at the end of March. Even with this increase, inventory remains tight and is only 27% of its 2006 peak. New listings continue to contribute to the increase in inventory and have risen from the prior year for 12 months in a row. There were 4,722 new listings in March, an increase of 8% from this time last year. At $400,000, the median sale price in the region was unchanged from last March. The last March level that was higher was in 2007. The median days on market is 17 days, 4 days more than last March, but below the 5-year average of 25 days. March generally continued the winter pattern seen earlier in the Northern Virginia region. Both closed sales and new pending contracts decreased. Seller activity continues to increase, but inventory remains tight. The median sale price was unchanged but remains strong, due in part to the tight inventory. After a slow winter, spring and summer should pick up and capture some of the pent-up buyer demand. That's the Northern Virginia Market Watch for this month. Check back next month for the latest.